Portuguese Caldo Verde soup. Full recipe is on our blog. The taste works. Caldo Verde is a traditional peasant soup from Northern Portugal that features chorizo, kale, and potatoes. It's a hearty soup that can also be a meal. We've put a few twists on it. Brown the chorizo until caramelized. Toss in the garlic, cook until fragrant. Add the onion. Let them sweat. Add the tomatoes. Stir and cook until they have substantially wilted and begin releasing their liquid. Add the bay leaf, pepper, the juice of 1 lime, chicken stock. Oh yeah, we only use that supersized pot for the camera. Use a pot made for sane people. Bring the soup to a simmer for about 10 minutes. Add the potatoes and the beans. Note the ratio. Too much starch and your soup will turn into goo. Let it simmer for another 10 minutes or so until the potatoes can be easily pierced with a fork. Add salt to taste. The chorizo adds saltiness, so we do this at the end because we can add salt but we cannot take away. Finally, add the kale and spinach. Stir until cooked. Busted! Our verde soup is actually roja. Enjoy! Thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, please subscribe and follow us on Instagram. COVID-19 shut down our restaurant, so now we're food blogging. Stay tuned for more.